Hi Toygraphers, today I'm gonna do something different, which is the unboxing video of this Hot Toys Spider-Man Homecoming homemade suit version. There is an open flip to see the figure. And here are the list of awesome people who made this figure. Big thanks for them. And let's unbox this guy. Here it is, the Spider-Man. This is a bit preview of the packaging. Looks really cool, you got a lot of accessories here. Now I'm opening this blister box. Gonna remove the plastic first. Now look at him, it's like he's saying, yeah, I'm out of the box. And that's a very well made clothes by Hot Toys. I love the hoodie so much. And also the socks is awesome. I thought it was a plastic first, but surprisingly it's not. It's made of the material that's the same of the cloth. Don't forget to read this manual before you start playing or posing with him. The only reason because it's pricey. Believe me, you don't want to break this figure. Look at this beautiful hat. The detail is very good. Here are some accessories that you will get. Lot of webs, 3 pairs of hands, 2 additional eyes, homemade Spidey mask, and Tom Holland head sculpt. Take a closer look to it. You also got additional pegs for his wrist, just in case you broke it. This is the dynamic stand with the Spider-Man Homecoming logo on it. It's very detailed, it's very cool. Take a look at these 3 types of eyes. I think this is the bigger eyes, and this is the medium eyes. The last one is the small eyes. I'm trying to pose it while he shoots the web. And this one is when I use a dynamic stance. It's quite strong to hold this figure. And look, it's Tom Holland. Let's enjoy the bit for the next clip. This figure is pretty fun to pose since the articulation is very good. The plus is you got a lot of accessories like this web that I attached to his hand. You can also use this dynamic stance to do some cool pose or action pose. You can play with the eyes. And I love this battle damage Tom Holland hat. A bit big though for this figure in my opinion. Maybe Hot Toys should just make it smaller a bit. Overall, this figure is outstanding in terms of articulation and a fine detail of the clothes. Maybe that's all for this quick unboxing, guys. If you like this kind of video, maybe I could do more unboxing if I get new figure. It's just for side content, my primary content still tutorial though. What do you think, guys? Leave any suggestion on the comment section below. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!